Yes, I'm back again. So for NFP that's coming tomorrow, notice how like on the hourly time frame we're just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, just consolidating like this inside of this 4 hour fair value gap right here. That means we're engineering no liquidity. This is like what do you call it? This is time distortion pretty much. It's gonna stay like this for a while. It's gonna keep going back and forth, back and forth. And I'm gonna anticipate that NFP when it comes out, they're going to drop the price. They're going to drop it down to clear out all this sell side, all those sell side liquidity that's been engineered. Because if you look at it on a 5 minute time frame, you can clearly see like it's just straight consolidation on consolidation. And if you go even further down on a 1 minute time frame, you can see like you see it's just unclean, very what do you call it? What people call it, chop price action, you know. So as you can see, it's just straight up consolidation, consolidation. But NFP is going to most likely clear the low and then reverses because I'm also looking at the fact that we have this daily inversion here, and we also have a potential daily bullish gap that's going to form. So my best guess is when it comes out at 8:30, they could drop it where it hits inside of this daily bullish fair value gap, and price rejects and start pushing out of this to clear all these highs, and hopefully go hit this weekly volume imbalance that's in a premium. That's what I think we could see, something like this, and it makes sense to see a three. We might see like a 300 point run tomorrow. It's very much possible. All this back and forth, because like at this point, it's very obvious what they're doing. You know, it's very obvious because like look at price action. It's quite bullish. We're not really done with the levels yet. So, so at the same time, if you have the with according to the HIPTA data range, um, right here, I would say like we're kind of at the 50% level here, like on a 20-day look back kind of thing. I don't know if you guys know about that, but yes, on a 20-day look back, this is kind of like the 50% range it'll be around here. So we're still in a huge discount zone where price will really run because we have all this to fill, all of that to fill up really. So based on how we're moving right now, there's a very good chance that's what's taking place at this point. Let's check out ES real quick. On ES, it's the exact same scenario really. Market not really moving anywhere. When this breaks out, ES might even make new highs. It might, clear all the sell side and then create new highs. It's very much possible. So I mainly trade the NQ, so like my charts on ES not really marked. But yeah, there's not really much to do today, you know, not much. So if you took a trade today and then it played in your favor, good job. And if it did not, it's okay. Don't like beat yourself up about it because it's pre-NFP day. It's trading day where you don't trade it at all, or you're trying to look for something quick in and out on the lower time frame. But don't have an expectation for pre-NFP day. It's the same thing for rate announcement. Never have an expectation for those days because the market will always humble you. And this is like this. I'm gonna tell you right now. It's always like this whenever it's pre-NFP day. The market always trades like this. Look at like I've taken a screenshot of every time like pre-NFP day comes out. It's always like it's never clean action. It's always like this. That's why I was like, okay, even though I did trade it, I know like not to have like super high expectations on it. But yeah, it's always gonna trade like this. It's one of those Z day where it's just like zigzagging. But but going into tomorrow, expect like at 8:30 the price to drop down, clear all the sell sides, and then reverses. So most likely London sell side or Asia sell side for the next day that's coming up. So all that back and forth, expect that sell side to get cleared. Don't worry about this low. It might not even go for this low. I don't know. It might even go and clear out this low too. But because this is gonna end up being a, if this stays like this, it's gonna end up being a daily bullish gap. So there's very, very good chance they send price down here and then shoot it back up. So, and we're bullish. Remember, the weekly is bullish, so we're looking for longs only. Even if the monthly hasn't flipped yet, operate on the weekly. And we have this volume imbalance right here. We have the consequent encroachment of the previous week's wick high. You see? It's the midpoint of it. So this is the highest that I think price could go for if it decides to run. And then we have the weekly buy side liquidity, and we have this other one. I didn't really mark that one yet because I'm operating inside of this range for now. So like going into tomorrow, if we have like a big expansion, then we most likely will see price go here, then travel all the way up here, and as like the max extinction before it's like maybe like retrace. I don't think we're gonna even get all the way up there, but if we do, that'll be good too. Because from clearing it, if it comes back down and then it runs back up, that'll probably be like a 200-point run. Let's see. Yeah, them the 300-point run. So we could very well see something like that. But yeah, so there's no need to be trading anything, doing nothing right now. Just close your charts really and just wait for tomorrow. You know, because same thing. After NFP comes out at 8:30, wait for 9:30 to open, 9:50 ish. Honestly, take a setup after 10. That's what you want to look for, your setup after 10 a.m. If your setup show up, execute. If it doesn't, it is what it is. But yeah, you see what I was saying? Like even if it looks like, you know, you'll see a setup, it will fail. Just because of the fact that we're consolidating. But yeah, there's not really much else to say here. But yeah, thank you for watching.